Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Canon XA75, a compact professional camcorder that packs a serious punch. This renewed model offers a fantastic blend of features for both seasoned videographers and those looking to step up their production quality. At the heart of the XA75 is its 1-inch CMOS 4K sensor, paired with Canon's Digic DV6 image processor. This combination delivers stunning 4K UHD footage with excellent clarity and detail, as well as superior full HD images. The image quality is truly impressive for a camcorder of this size, making it a great option for documentaries, events, and even filmmaking. One of the standout features is the on-screen display timestamp recording. This embeds crucial data like date, time, and time code directly into your original camera files. This is a lifesaver for legal depositions, archival footage, or any situation where accurate record keeping is essential. Live streaming is now a must-have, and the XA75 doesn't disappoint. With UVC live streaming, you can stream HD video directly from the camera to a PC or Mac. This simplifies the process of broadcasting live events, interviews, or presentations without needing extra equipment. The XA75 boasts a 15x optical zoom, which is already quite versatile. But if you need even more reach, the digital zoom can boost that to an incredible 300x magnification. While digital zoom can sometimes degrade image quality, the XA75's 5-axis image stabilization helps to keep the footage steady, even at extreme zoom levels. Focusing is critical, and the XA75 offers adjustable focusing speeds and advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF. This provides fast, precise, and reliable focusing, even in challenging situations. The face detection feature is particularly useful for keeping your subject sharp, whether you're shooting interviews or capturing candid moments. Overall, the Canon XA75 Renewed is a powerful and versatile camcorder that offers a lot of value for its size and price. The combination of 4K UHD recording, advanced features, and a compact design makes it an excellent choice for professionals and serious enthusiasts alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.